Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this new and latest Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. It was supposed to release on the September 22nd, 2023. But unfortunately, I ordered through the website, so it took a little bit longer because so many people were ordering the iPhone 15 series, and it pushed back the date. So the model, you can go to the store and then purchase it, and they might have in stock, such as iPhone 15 Pro, the lower model. So the display size is 6.7 inch with a 48 megapixel main camera, and it has A17 Pro chip with 8 GB of RAM. It has a lithium-ion battery with 4,441 mAh. By the way, this one is the blue titanium color with 512 GB of storage. So this one has a LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, 120 Hz HDR10 Dolby Vision, and up to 2000 nits. And it has a ceramic shield glass. So it has a 48 megapixel for the wide, and then 12 megapixel for the periscope telephoto, and another 12 megapixel for the ultra wide angle. And then it has a 12 megapixel selfie camera with a Bluetooth 5.3. It has a fast charging with a 25 watts wired, 15 watts wireless with the MagSafe charger, 7.5 watts wireless with the Qi charging, and 5 watts reverse wire. That means you can use your iPhone 15 to charge another device with the 5 watts. And the retail price on this was like $13.99. So yeah, I'm going to trade in this iPhone 12 Pro Max and get a $1,000 rebate, which is good. If I sell this on eBay or whatever, I think it's only like $800 with the mint condition. Plus eBay, they take another 12 point something percentage, and I also had to pay the shipping fee to ship it to a buyer. So yeah, it is better for me to trade in this iPhone 12 Pro Max, since the iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, when you trade it in, it's the same $1,000. So I'm gonna trade in this 3 years old Apple iPhone and then get my $1,000 rebate. Anyway, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the new device. So yeah, this is the phone right here. Got the Apple logo right here. Oh my god, even has a blue titanium Apple logo. And even the iPhone has a blue titanium font or color. Another Apple logo on this side. And then the iPhone right here. And you need to be out the green arrow right there from left to right or right to left, depending if you're left-handed or right-handed. And then there's another sticker right here on the bottom So you need to pull out that strip, and then I'll open it up. So this is the invoice right here, AT&T. And then they give you this bubble wrap right here. You need to put your phone in here. And this is the tape to reseal box for your device return, okay? So here is the return shipping label right here that AT&T supplied to you. Make sure you write down the tracking number in case they say that you didn't return it, and also check on the USPS website. So let's go and then unbox it and then show you guys the phone. Wow, very nice. Look at the camera setup, flash, the titanium frame. This is the action button right here. Volume up, down. Microphone, speaker grill, and new USB Type-C charging port right there. And the power button right there. So it says you no longer need a SIM card. They only use eSIM. And they give you one white Apple logo sticker. So I wonder how you're gonna use it out of country if there's no SIM card. And this is the new and latest improved braided charging cable. So it is much stronger. As you know, the old lightning charging cable, they tend to frail around this end or that end. So hopefully this is gonna be much stronger. And then that's it. Alright, before we remove this sticker, I'm going to use the iPhone 14 Pro Max that I have extra for the glass screen protector, and also the iPhone 14 Pro Max rear camera protector. But I'm gonna clean it up first from oil touched by the finger before I put it on. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.